Hi, this is Lognath, roll number 2001201. I'll be speaking on the topic Universal Primary Education in India. Nelson Mandela highlighted that education is the liberator from the shackles of ignorance, poverty, and social and economic exclusion through his famous quote, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. The same thought is enshrined in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in Article 26, which held that every individual has the right to education. However, 7 decades after the UDHR, 58 million children are out of school globally, and more than 100 million children get eliminated from the schooling system before completing primary education. Ironically, India, which once held the position of Vishwaguru, tops the list of countries with out of school children. But Kerala has shown a silver lining as it is now all set to be declared the first state in the country to achieve complete primary education. In this context, other states, especially Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, and Assam, which rank low on the primary education levels in the country, could follow the Kerala model of education. So, what is Kerala model of education? Kerala, that led the way by achieving complete literacy way back in 1991, has once shown that it is possible to achieve complete literacy even at the primary school level. However, this success story has roots in the historic royal rescript of Rani Gauri Parvati Bai, 1817, which proclaimed education as the responsibility of the state. Simultaneously, it emphasized that political will is more important than the political economy to decide the expenditure on education. Based on the efforts of the successive governments, Kerala is known for its highest literacy rate in the country and 100% primary and secondary education enrollment. In order to universalize primary education, the Kerala government launched a special scheme, Atulyam, in October 2014. Through extensive surveys, people living in panchayats who had not yet completed their primary education or had dropped out of schools were traced. Convincing them to study again and sit for exams was the next step. They were given 5 months of training, enabling them to attend the fourth equivalency examination. Amartya Sen attributes the Kerala economic and social success to the consistency with which school education expanded based on sustained public policies and action. So, what are the challenges in universalization of education? The Constitution of India provides for free and compulsory education for all children up to 14 years of age. In pursuance of this, Government of India has enacted the Right to Education Act 2009. However, the goal of universalization of primary education is still far from our reach. The factors that can be attributed to this are as follows: low public spending, exclusive private sector, qualitative issue, and other factors like ignorance and illiteracy of parents, lack of cooperation between school and local community, and corruption and recruitment of teachers affect the goal of universalization of education. So what is the way forward? Active role of state: to make education universal, the state must find resources to provide ancillary services such as school health, midday meals, free supply of textbooks, writing materials, school uniform, etc. The Kerala model shows that comprehensive interventions pertaining to nutrition, health, sanitation, and early stimulation can help to achieve sustainable growth in human development. Second point, social auditing. There should be a village or a mohalla school committee in each village or urban area. Such a committee would look after the construction and maintenance of buildings, playgrounds, and school gardens, provision for ancillary services, the purchase of equipment, etc. Finally, engaging civil society. The success of Kerala is made possible thanks to the collective efforts of the various departments of the government, officials, volunteers, NGOs, and friendly associations. So, what is the conclusion? The provision of universal elementary education is crucial for spreading mass literacy, which is a basic requirement for the economic development, modernization of social structure, and the effective functioning of democratic institutions. It also represents an indispensable first step towards the provision of equality of opportunity to all citizens. Thus, Indian society as a whole should take necessary steps to achieve universalization of primary education. Thank you.